Hello everyone, this is TK. So I was playing around with the CrazyFlie and Unreal environment, and I started yesterday night, and after a day it's almost finished. So I decided to I'm going to try to push my script from my desktop to my laptop computer. Okay, what's the best way of doing it? Using a Git, right? Syncing all the scripts to GitHub, and then I can download the script over there. But in the Unreal project, it creates some very large files, so Git doesn't like it, or GitHub doesn't like it. And so I've tried to ignore some of the files, but changing different get ignored rules. But when after I checked out from a previous commit, Git just nuked all my Unreal projects, so the folder is empty now. So I think it's a good chance to firstly recreate my project, but also record the process to document it. Yeah, so that's why I'm making this video. So yeah, let's start a new project then. I'm using Unreal Engine 5.1.1, but it should work on the latest version. I haven't tested it, but it should work. Okay, so when creating the project, we're going to select film or video live event scene, because the game default game blank, it's creating a fancy environment which is heavy for the computer to compute. So this one is much cleaner and much simpler. So we're starting from this one. Let's name it CrazyFlie Unreal Sync and create. Okay, and the first step we're going to do is add the plugins. So we need LiveLink XR. Yes, we need SteamVR. And we need the two plugins from low entry to do socket communication. And then we restart the engine. Okay, I'm glad that at least Git helped me preserve my model files. These are the models from SteamVR directly, but okay, I think I'm missing a tracker. Restore. Yeah, these two. I don't think I can change this file name. Okay, let's make it the original way. Yeah. Okay, after including the plugin, we need to. Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, so firstly, after including the Steam VR plugin, it will automatically wake up, like start Steam VR when loading the project. That's pretty good. Okay, we can start by organizing our project. I'm starting to wait a second. I'm starting to learn how to sort the project files by like items or like individual thing instead of types. So like originally we were doing like a mesh in a folder, like all blueprints in a folder, something like that. But I've read about like an article saying that if you are doing naming the files with the type in front of it, so in this way you don't need to like sort it out by folder anyway, because like when you are searching for it, you can already search for the file name, the prefix part. So that makes sense. So I'm trying to adapt for this. So we need a CrazyFlie. We need a cube. Vive WAN controller. A virtual camera. And okay, and also a base station. So in base station we have the these are the two same folders. We have the base station, import. Yeah, so we name this thing, for example, as static mesh base station, and this will be material base station. Yeah, and let's do a shared one. Vive tracker. And also a locator. Okay, and then we create another blueprint class as game mode base, named blueprint socket in mode base. So in here we're going to implement the socket communication logic. So on event begin play we do socket create socket connection. host as localhost, or actually I'm going to connect to our laptop. And create some helper functions. And after we start the connection, we do what do we need to do? Connect, yeah. And on complete, we send a message. With bytes of some string 2 bytes. Hello. Or actually, let's do integer 2 bytes. And here we do a print. Yeah, event and play. Why is begin play one word? Well, end play 2 words. Anyway, we do disconnect or destroy socket destroy. Can we create no? Never mind. Okay, so here's the socket communication logic. Well, actually, we haven't implemented stuff here, but yeah. Yeah, let's do it. That's here. We're going to create a function for this. So for inputs, we are going to have an array of bytes as buffer. And for output, we have trans vector of location and rotator as rotation. So for this buffer, we do bytes to float. Then there's 4. And copy that. Make vector Okay, so this will be our position, XYZ, and this will be our rotation, pitch, roll, and yaw. And then for this, we do multiply. And I kind of forget like which one needs to be flipped, but I think it's 100, negative 100, and 100. Oh my god, hope I'm correct. I forgot completely. And we need to break this one. And break this one. Maybe this is wrong. Let's see. So here we do parse. Oh yeah. And then we need to create a new class called BP CrazyFlie. So inside the class, we're going to add a simple cube to represent the drone, and also a cone. Rotate it. So we want Y as the front. So we rotate X by 90 degrees. Okay, this is our simple CrazyFlie drone. And we add this thing to the scene. Okay, also lower the floor. BP CrazyFlie. Okay, then we can find the thing here. Get actor of class as BP CrazyFlie. And do set transform set actor transform break location to location, rotation to rotation. Okay, I hope this works. Yeah, so this is the CrazyFlie position capture logic. Then we also need to add the VR capture logic. So we create a new blueprint, actor BP cube. It will be just a cube of 0.3, like 30 centimeter. And we also put a tracker on top. Which is Okay, I forgot about this one, but I think it's this -2. So the cube can be offsetted by -15. Okay, yeah, this looks correct. And we're also going to add a live link controller. Okay, no live link target for now. And lastly, we want to create a wand. With this thing as the model. I think it's pointing this way. Yeah. And also add a live link controller. Okay. And then we need to launch all the VR stuff. Okay. Now to window visual production and live link. Add source, live link source, add everything. So here we need to configure the frame transformation. It's in where is it? Maybe I didn't push it. No change request is here. Okay, node on coordinate system here. So front would be add a transform axis switch. Front would be -y, right would be x, and we're good. Same for this tracker. Okay, and we add our stuff to the thing, cube, and also one controller. So here we select the VR controller, and for the cube we select the tracker. And now it should be tracked. Is it? Nope, it's not. What's happening? Okay, yeah. It needs some time to update. Okay. So let's check the coordinate frame. Okay, by the way, we need to set the player to face positive y-axis. Oh yeah, by the way, let's add the locator. And this thing needs to be reconfigured because the axes don't line up. Oh my god. 180? Yeah. 180 does the job. So this is our desired frame. So X is pointing towards right, Y is pointing towards front, and Z is up. Okay, now we can verify. I'm facing this direction. So yeah, I'm pointing Y now and pointing X, positive X. Yeah, so this is working. Our cube is also working. I can put my controller on the cube. Okay, that's working fine. So yeah, that's the Unreal part. And yeah, I think reconstruction done. I still need to verify if my script here is working or not, but like that will take some time to debug. Okay, see you.